Hi everyone. Accident lawyers, Los Angeles. Accident lawyer. Accident lawyer, Los Angeles. Accident lawyer. What are the top accident attorneys and lawyers in Los Angeles? When we Google it, we have some kind of results here. And let's have a look on this. America's car accident lawyers. Morgan and Morgan. Prestige Law. We have their phone number here. Trusted Personal Injury Lawyer, Los Angeles. Another one is Castillo Law, Castillo and Associates. It is like I think it's Espanol. Okay, if we look on Google Maps, we have multiple law firms in California, Los Angeles. There are some questions related to accident lawyers. Is it worth getting a lawyer for a minor car accident? Yes, you should hire a lawyer. Even after a minor car accident, you both step out of your cars to assess the damage. You both feel fine and your cars have a minor damage. It's been a very long day, so you decide not to call the police to file a report or exchange any information between the two of you. There are few more questions, you can have a look on it. Okay, the next one is Robert Eves Law, Los Angeles car accident lawyer, the Reeves Law Group. Los Angeles car accident lawyer, the Reeves Law Group is a Los Angeles personal injury law firm. Let's have a look on this website. Serious injury, catastrophic injury, wrongful death, about $250 million recovered for clients. That's a good portfolio. Free case evaluation, areas of expertise, meeting locations. The Reeves Law Group is a Los Angeles personal injury law firm that specializes in serious and catastrophic injury cases and has successfully represented thousands of injured car accident survivors throughout Southern California for over 35 years. We have recovered over $250 million in verdicts and settlements for our clients. For an immediate consultant, call 213-271-9318. This is their number. If you have suffered serious injuries from an auto accident and in need of expert legal representation, call our law firm today at this to speak with one of our professional Los Angeles car accident attorney for free for a free consultation. We operate on a contingency basis and will not charge a fee or seek reimbursement for costs advanced unless your case is won. Okay, if you have been injured in a serious auto accident and seek legal representation, contact us today for free consultation. Award winning Los Angeles car accident attorneys to 2016 sponsor inside Newsweek. Best personal injury attorneys to 2016. There are some awards for them. The Reeves Law Group is well known and respected through a long record of success helping plaintiffs fight large insurance companies, well financed corporate and individual defendants, and have recovered over $250 million for our clients. These abilities are due to our large size, legal expertise, and financial resources. Lead trial lawyers Derek Pakis has been featured as Newsweek top 10 trial lawyers in the country. This is the dress of that law firm.